Texas.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Houston.
Praise God.
So the time
Ooh, that
is
was a nice
1:02. We'll
flight.
be taxiing for the next
No
few minutes, so
worries, no
please remain
problems.
seated with your seatbelt fastened and all items stowed so the seatbelt sign is turned off. Please make sure you have all your personal belongings before you exit the aircraft and be careful when opening overhead compartments. You are now free to use your mobile phones and smaller weight devices. On behalf of United or Starline